I go before you. Some battles don't need your strength, they need your trust. God says, I go before you, not behind you, fixing the mess, not beside you, waiting on your courage, but he goes before you. That means when you arrive, you will see his footprints already in the ground. You will notice his fingerprints all over your situation. You'll sense the fragrance of his presence, and you'll whisper, surely the Lord has been here before me. When you step into the room, peace will already be there sitting. When you face the challenge, the way will already be cleared. When you enter the valley, light will already be there waiting. You are not walking into the unknown. You are walking into prepared ground. He goes before you in the meeting. He goes before you in the diagnosis. He goes before you in the conversations you are afraid to have. Before you in the valley you never planned to enter. Stop stressing about the doors. God opens them before you knock. Stop fearing the opposition. God disarms them before you arrive. If God goes before you, fear loses its voice, delay loses its power, and confusion loses its grip. Move forward, walk boldly. You are not late. God is early.